From the Book of Art, Painting from Nature. If an object is placed in the path of a beam of light, that object prevents the light from further penetrating the darkness beyond. The area between the light and the object becomes the known, and the area beyond the light becomes the unknown. I think I better show you that on a chart. Okay. We have a light beams. You place an object in front of those light beams. The light beams is reflected. This is light. Okay, so what you have here is the known. Because the light, you can see what's here. Behind this is darkness. And it's the unknown. You follow that? The light, what you see, the light reflects on what you can see, that's known. What's behind this barrier, you can't see because it's dark. That reflects the light. Okay? So I'll read that again from out of the Book of Art. If an object is placed in the path of a beam of light, that object prevents the light from further penetrating into darkness. The area between the light and the object becomes the known, and the area beyond the light becomes the unknown. Does that make sense? It should. Okay. When a painter paints from nature, the painter's eye acts as the light, and nature's beauty acts as the object placed in the path of the eye. That object prevents the painter's eye from penetrating beyond nature's beauty. So, what we have here is the painter's eye. The painter's eye. The painter eye see. This is nature's beauty. And when the eye looks at nature, this becomes the known. And what's behind that, nature's beauty, becomes the unknown. Are you following that? It's the same as the light. When the light hits this block, you can't see any further because that's all darkness. So it remains unknown. What's behind that? You can only see where the light is. The eye is the same way. The eye sees nature's beauty and it's reflected back, and that's all it sees. What remains beyond nature's beauty is unknown. See? Okay. Nature's greatest truth is hidden behind its beauty. So that means nature's greatest truth is back here, not out here. When we see a beautiful painting, quote, beautiful painting, like in, I got a Bob Ross, for example, in the PBS, The Happy Painter. Remember him? He used to paint these little happy little paintings, beautiful landscapes. When we see a beautiful painting, that would be one of his. We know that the painter's eye was blocked by nature's beauty. We know that the painter was not able to penetrate beyond the surface of nature's beauty. A beautiful painting says to the viewer, "Here is nature. Look no further than its beauty." The Bob Rosses of the world paint here, in this area, the known. what we see. What normal people go out and see something beautiful in nature, and that's what they see. They're blocked also. The painter, the true artist, must go beyond and go beyond nature's beauty. Paint what's behind there. Find out what's back there. It says, nature offers a larger challenge for the true artist. If an artist is to expand man's knowledge of the universe, his work should penetrate the surface of nature and reach into the darkness beyond. He must shed light where no light has been. To do this, the true artist must struggle against his animal nature, which is always vulnerable to nature's beauty. He must overcome his preconceived notions of how to view nature. He must penetrate nature's outward beauty and paint her inner reality. A painter must get beyond this. He can't just be stuck in this area here where everything is beautiful and he paints these beautiful little paintings all the time. We got to get beyond that. It's like Leonardo da Vinci. He studied anatomy so he could understand the bone structures and the muscle underneath the arm. When you saw an arm, he knew what was inside there. The skin hides all that, but he could see that because he had studied anatomy, and so when he painted an arm with a hand, he knew what was underneath there, and it helped him. He painted the reality, not the surface. You see? So that's important in nature painting. To look beyond the beauty of nature and paint the hidden reality beyond. Okay, that's all for today. See you next week. Go to my website, send me an email. See you next week.